Network marketing is a business model that relies on a network of distributors to grow the company. Also known as multi-level marketing, it allows individuals to earn commissions through the sales they make and the sales made by their recruited team members. The importance of network marketing lies in its potential for exponential growth and the minimal investment required to start. Building a strong team is crucial to success in this model. A solid team provides continuous support, motivation, and drives collective goals, thereby enhancing the overall performance and profitability of the business. In network marketing, recruiting the right people is vital for a successful team. It's important to look for individuals who possess a positive mindset and a can do attitude. These traits ensure that team members are motivated, resilient, and willing to learn. To identify potential recruits, consider using methods such as social media outreach, attending industry events, and referral programs. Look for those who demonstrate enthusiasm, good communication skills, and a strong work ethic. By carefully selecting your team members, you create a foundation of reliable, driven individuals who can contribute to the overall growth and success of your network marketing business. Continuous training and personal development are crucial elements in building a successful network marketing team. Regular training sessions keep team members updated on the latest industry trends, product knowledge, and effective marketing strategies. Personal development helps individuals build confidence, improve communication skills, and stay motivated. To create an effective training program, consider incorporating a mix of online resources, in-person workshops, and mentorship opportunities. Encourage team members to set personal development goals and track their progress. By investing in training and development, you ensure that your team remains competent, enthusiastic, and capable of driving the business forward. Creating a culture of support and collaboration is essential for a thriving network marketing team. Foster a positive environment by encouraging open communication, providing constructive feedback, and recognizing achievements. Establishing trust and mutual respect among team members leads to stronger relationships and better teamwork. Encourage collaboration by organizing team building activities and promoting a sense of community. Highlight the benefits of a supportive culture, such as increased motivation, higher retention rates, and enhanced problem solving capabilities. A team that feels valued and supported is more likely to work together effectively, driving overall success and growth for the network marketing business. Setting clear, achievable goals is fundamental in network marketing. Goals provide direction, focus, and a sense of purpose for the team. Ensure that goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Regularly track progress using tools like performance metrics, progress reports, and team meetings. Providing timely and constructive feedback helps team members stay on course and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate milestones and recognize achievements to keep the team motivated. By setting and monitoring goals effectively, you can ensure continuous improvement, maintain high levels of motivation, and drive sustained success in your network marketing efforts.